you turn for advice, or where have you turned for advice? Who have been your mentors in this business?
Mainly my dad, and that is one of the main mentors. And through some of the other is just having friends in the industry, having, let's see, started in the South, became friends with Todd Fenner, Laundry Owners Warehouse, and then of course Brian Wallace, just different people that have different experiences and knowledge of the industry.
Mhm.
But like from day one of the industry is my dad. And then outside the industry, just other top names like, Warren Buffett, just different things, that can be positive influences. And s- not everybody leaves the same shadow on a person that, we can be around the same person for an hour and somebody doesn't pick anything up off them that
Yeah.
um, makes them feel smarter or helps them out with whether it's the industry, because they're Laundry Owners Warehouse first trade show that Todd, Josh, and Oren had. They flew me down there because they
Yeah.
felt I would be beneficial for their store owners in their market, whether it's hands-on knowledge or I remember air conditioning being one of the main topics that a handful of the store owners asked me about. I'm like, well, I
Mhm.
don't know anything about your guys' building, but there are air conditioning units that are wall packs where you don't have to have a bunch of ductwork. So, there are some things that Todd found wisdom in me, and I went down there and tried to help his store owners. And it really wasn't about me helping them buy the Dexter brand. Yes, I had quite a bit of experience with that brand. So it's
Mhm.
like, well, a mentor to me can also lead me to be a mentor, to him or his own customers and stuff. So
Right.
that'd be one of the main things. And that happened also in the Chicago market with the Frankian family, where the knowledge of the business can be beneficial for store owners that are
Mhm.
been in it for 20 years, but they still have 20-year-old machine. Pulling the trigger to replace, whether it's
Mhm.
going from 80G to 100G to 200G, uh, extract machines. So I guess some people might find me a mentor, and I find it hard to believe. But then again, it's all in what you value and somebody else's, knowledge and stuff.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, it goes both ways, certainly.
yes.